Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Vivoactive 5 and I'm gonna show you how to customize or change the glances menu on this watch. First, let me show you how to access the glances menu. To do it, wake up the screen on your watch by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the watch face, the current watch face, and you can swipe up or down on this watch face to open the glances menu. And here we have it. In this menu, basically, you have glances. I would call them widgets, but Garmin calls them glances, and we have different stats and stuff like that. Right here, we can check, and we can edit this menu. We can change it. To do it, we need to scroll all the way down, and at the bottom, you will see the edit option. Tap on it. And here we can do a couple of things. We can remove the glance. So if let's say you want to remove the calendar, you can tap on the X next to it to remove it. We can add new glance. To add new glance, scroll down, tap on plus button, find the glance you want to add, and then tap on it to add it. And then you can go back. And you can also change the order of the applications on the list. So basically you can move them around. Let's say you want the body battery to be at the top, and to do it, you tap on the glance you want to move, and then press and hold on the sorting button next to it on the right side, and then drag it to the position you want it to be in, and then drop it like that. And then you can tap on the check mark to confirm. And when you go back, you will see that the changes applied. And of course, once you're done changing, you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And that's how you customize or change the glances menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.